Are you recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hold on, I'm gonna run down here and run back.
Okay.
I'll run like that.
Oh my god.
Getting the air natural.
She's coming. Oh, you go, girl.
What?
I said you go. You look really far away.
Hello.
I'm gonna be retarded or something.
Kind of cold out here.
Well, yeah, look at me. I'm gonna get a shop shirt.
Hold on. Ready? Ready? Stay right there. Stay. No, no! Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me, dummy.
Okay.
I think keeps falling off my wrist. Probably because it's cold outside. I'm just in my fag walk. Or my fag run.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna scoot over because of a car. What are you looking at? Oh, bag. Jesus. What? Ah! Okay, ready?
Perverted little Mexicans. That's how Mason runs.
Do you see me? No? No, I'm getting you.
Okay.